Hiya everyone, today I'm going to be doing a makeup to match my outfit. I really hope you enjoy. I've got this shirt on here and I don't know if you can see there's like little diamonds in yellow. I'm going to do that in gold on the eye. So I want to go like a deep blue, bit of gold. I've just been to Superdrug looking for makeup because honestly a lot of the stuff I've got's kind of old. The recent stuff I bought was the Makeup Revolution palettes, which I still haven't done a review on and I will do. But I got some bits and pieces. I'm looking for gold. Found this by Rimmel Wonder Swipe. But it's still kind of wet. It's like a gel with a bit of glitter in. It's not as thick as I wanted. And then I found this as well. L'Oreal Infallible. And that's thin gold, and it is a really thick gold. Thing is, I'm thinking if I put eyeshadow on, this is just going to take it straight back off. So, this is me plan B. I might have to use me MAC Gold pigment, but then I need some sort of like sticky gel to keep it on, to make it into an eyeliner, because I love that about the pigments. You can just do what you want with them. So I'm going to leave that there as an option, and hopefully I don't need to use that, because what I'm after, I hope it turns out. We're going in with that, so it's a lush blue. I was going to go in with more of a matte one, but I couldn't find one, I've got to be honest. So I've been looking through all my pots and pans and stuff and I can't find anything. So and we're going to do some lashes today if it turns out alright. So first of all, I've already put on my Studio Secrets L'Oreal and my Lancome. I know I don't look like I've got much on, but I don't like a lot on. But I'm going to put some stuff to build up, some concealer and some blush and that. But yeah, that stuff's amazing. If you get your chance to have a go, you'll love it. And this, I need some more. I don't like running out of it. Okay, so off we go. First I'm going to go in with some blue eyeshadow. And we'll get that on now. Right. So I'm going to do one eye again and then I'll do the other one off camera. Saves a bit of time for you. So this one here is Deep Truth. I've got a light in front of us and it's blaring in my eyes because it's really dark today. There's foghorns, there's fog. It's really a nasty weather day. So we will go. This shirt's navy. I wanted a really navy matte but I couldn't find one. I thought I had one by MAC. In fact, I did have one ages ago, but it ran out. And it also cracked in the pan because I used to take them out of here and put them in the pans. The big pallets. And, well, it didn't stay in there. It come out and it broke and it was lovely. I can't think of the name of it now. Might have been Prussian blue, or I don't know. But it was absolutely gorgeous. And I don't have it anymore. I noticed when I'm doing my eyelids now, because obviously I'm not a makeup wearer, not anymore. I used to make a lot more when I was younger because I wasn't bothered about being colourful and stuff, but I'm just starting to get back into it now because it's quite weird. And obviously you kind of fall out of touch with the techniques, but I'm on Instagram. And the links are under my video if you want to follow us on Instagram. I really would like it if you did. I don't really have many followers. I had it ages ago and then I never went on it because I didn't really know how to use it. I think I've only got 2,000 followers or something like that. But there's still, I love looking at all the different pictures on there, the makeup looks and the way people do their makeup now. I'm so behind the times, but I'm excited. I want to give it a go. So I'm going to do a look, not yet, because I've got a few more other things I need to do first, but an Instagram makeup look. And yeah, I really, it's not like I used to do my makeup years ago. Everything's so much changed now. I've just done I'll be doing like a question and answer video as well. So leave some questions in the comments and I will answer them and I'll give you a shout out. I'm also thinking of doing a live stream. If you'd like to get involved, let us know and then you can come along and ask some questions on that as well. I'm going to blend this out at the top because I think it's a bit much. So yeah, I'm looking forward to doing that. So if there's anything you want to know, ask. Lots of people are asking about the dog so far and Jordan, because it's been years. And when I first started, Jordan was a little kid, and he's back in the back bedroom playing on the PlayStation, and all you could hear on my videos was one of the pugs snoring, and someone thought it was like my granddad or something snoring in the background, but it wasn't. It was Phoebe the pug, which I don't have anymore. She lives with a friend called Trudy, and Sooty lives with the other friend Dawn in Middlesex. I keep getting Middlesbrough and Middlesex mixed up, but she's happy as hell. Right, so I'm just blending this out as much as possible because it is quite a heavy look. I want a pop of blue, but I don't want it to be too heavy. It's my last day off today, and I'm back at work tomorrow. But what can you do? I actually don't mind it. I do love my job, I've got to be honest. The only thing that's funny about it is it takes its toll on you, because I'm constantly lifting heavy, and I mean heavy, like packs of tiles. Some of the adhesive bags are 20 kilograms each, and you're loading 5 and 6 of them on a trolley back and forwards. And it's not self-service, you've got to get them all for the customers, and still grown men will stand there and let you do it all, which is fine, that's what I'm there for. But you think, dear me, it just does take its toll on your back. And then when you get delivery day, you put people's orders at one side, so you've got just pallets and pallets of tiles. Really lucky at the minute, because my manager, he's been doing most of the delivery, and then the other guy that works there, he gets stuck in as well. So it's really handy, because it started to affect me wrists. My wrists were killing at one point. I couldn't lift anything up, they were just cramping and aching. Oh, it was awful, to the point where in the morning they were that bad and stiff I couldn't even lift the kettle for my coffee. That seems to have subsided a bit, but I think it's because I haven't done so much of the heavy lifting, and I've just been doing bits and pieces. Right, I need to find some gold. We're going to do some gold now. So I've blended that out, and I think I need, yeah, I'm going to try this. I hope it works. So we're Rimmel Insta Famous. See? I'm going to do a line all the way along. I like that. I like anything that's a bit out there. And the only problem with these things is you've got to try and let it dry before you start mucking around with your lids. I'm going to come out to there, because, does that stand out? Yeah, because I'm going to join it up. I'm going to do a cut crease. This is what I've seen on Instagram, and I'm going to have a go, because I've never done it before, you know. I'm scared to do it on this time, because this is quite a wet liquid, so it might end up splashing or getting all transferred. So we'll leave that. I'll just put a bit more on the tail end here. I don't know if it's just lightning here, but it doesn't look like it's quite on there. There we go, that's there. I don't need to worry about that. Now, I never ever wear black liner, but I gotta be honest with you, I found this again the other day when I was looking through my boxes. Oh, I'm gonna have to put a whole box of liquid liners in the bin. I found them. They're just no good. They've all dried up. All my glitter liners that I had, they're all just, there's nothing left of them because they're that old. So anyway, we're going to put this on underneath here. I used to get told off by his for pulling my eyelid down. And you know what, you're absolutely right, you should never pull at your eyelid. So don't pull at your eyelid. But I'm going to, because my eyelids are already, there's no saving them. And I'm going to tell you something here as well, and it's something you should know, and it might help one of yous. Alcohol over time, I do believe, gives you like a bit of a baggy appearance, And so if you're interested in your looks and you want to look after yourself and you think you're drinking a bit much, get shot of it. It's toxins at the end of the day, and it's, I think under there it's a sign that your liver's not doing so good. Now I did mention this to Jordan because my eyes were a bit baggy, and he said that there's a girl on YouTube, I know, and she does this and she massages it, so if you've got like lymph nodes or fluid build up, depending on what's causing it, you can kind of smooth it out a little bit. But if it's alcohol related, lack of sleep, bad diet, you just can't out smooth them. So you've got to take care of yourself. It really shows up. There you go. Now that's that on there like that. Now I'm going to go back in and I'm going to do it just above the crease. That's what they say, the cut crease. Really hope this works. Let's see. Actually, shall I? No, I don't want to do that actually. No, I don't want to ruin it. I'm scared. I'm not going to touch it. I'm going to put my other eye on. Do I? Do I do it? I'm going to do it. Sorry. Go on. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. Right. Okay. It's experimental time. So we're going to go just above the crease. That's what they say. Can you see? I don't know what you can see because I'm blinded by the light. Now I need to stay there and let that dry, or it's just going to smudge all over what I've done. So I've got to stop. I've got to move around. I'm going to do the other eye while I let that dry. Right, that's both eyes done. I'm just going to go in with a little bit more of this on the bottom, just on the underneath, but just on the outer corner, and then blend it in because I don't want it too heavy since I've got black liner on there already. So just a little bit. And that really is just so I can pull it outward and outline that bottom bit of gold got there. There we go. That's that one. And I'm using Ardelle 105 lashes, and I've just put the glue on already, so just ready to go. I do love wearing these because they just go on so easy. Just pop them on. I always keep tweezers handy ready, but they just go into place so easy. Just perfect. There you go, that's that one done. We'll do the other one. For the cheeks I'm going to use this one here, and I'm not sure what colour it is, but it says Golden Sugar 2 Rose Gold. It's the Revolution Blush palette. I'm going to use that, and I'm going to use the end one here. I've got to be honest, it looks amazing. It doesn't go on amazing. It's quite, well, the payoff, the colour payoff isn't so great, but it's alright. It's alright if you're just starting out and you just need a little bit of makeup. But you just look so exciting in the palette, and it's not. It doesn't get there, if you know what I mean. But above it, but just put a little bit of that on, and then I'm going to go in with some NARS because I want to highlight the cheeks. That's mine. I thought it was not mine. It's mine. It's a spot. Can't take that off. Well, you can, but I don't like picking. Well done. Now, where is it? Ta-da! Foundation brush. And we're going to just put a bit of that on. Is it coming off? It's a bit stubborn. There we go. It's been a while since I've used any of that stuff, so it's kind of gone a bit hard. Just needs warming up, like the MAC shade sticks really. They used to be rock hard. They practically rip your skin until you warm them up. So just do that and give it a bit of a warm up. Or put the heating on. I've got the heating on, I think. It's freezing in here today. Don't like the cold. Mind you, I'm much better this year. Last year I was absolutely freezing all year round. Had to put my big coat on. Couldn't get out of it. Just icy, shivering, freezing. Uncomfortably freezing. And then this year, and I don't know if it's to do with me iron, because my iron's gone up to a better level because it was really low before. But I was freezing. Now I'm very warm, like sweaty warm. And like, oh, it's awful. I'm at work with a t-shirt on, put it that way. Very rarely want my sweater on. And that's not like me, believe me, I was such a little coldie. Now we've got some lips. I found these. These are Maybelline, and I think they're gorgeous. Super drug, it was like 3 for 2, although you pay for the most expensive, you get the cheap one free. So I kind of got duped into it because I wasn't thinking straight, but it doesn't matter. I like them too. So I'm going to go in with the lightest, yeah, we're going to go with the light one. Number 5, Loyalist. After I take all the labels and stuff off. Yeah. It's a Stay Matte lip gloss. Just fancied a bit of Stay Matte. Yeah, I'm happy with that one. So put that on. And we'll see how it holds up. I've got some perfume samples coming. I don't know if anyone's heard of Dossier. They do like smells alike type of stuff. And they contacted us and asked if they could send some stuff. So I've picked 2. They're going to come in the post. And if I like, well, I'm going to do a video on them anyway, whether I like them or not. I'll let you know if they're any good. And if I'll put a link. I'm not getting paid to do it. I just thought, you know what, I don't mind people sending products. I'll give an honest review. I always have. I'll never show something I don't agree with. There you go. I really like that. So, oh, I haven't done my eyebrows. Do forgive us. I'll sort them out for the photos. But I really hope you enjoyed my first attempt at this whole glitter colour liner cut crease thing, because I'm not kidding, I never thought of doing that, but I saw it on Instagram and I thought, you know what, I really like that, I'm going to give it a go. So this is my version. Really hope you enjoyed. You know what, even if you don't go out like this, have fun, play about, experiment, it's all good. Because you know, the older you get, we'll get more serious, and really life's to be fun, life's to be had fun of. So I really hope you enjoy. I shall see you all in a bit. Zoom zoom.